I know. You got your cars? You want to say hi to Daddy? Anthony, look at the phone and say hi to Daddy. It's a movie. We're going to send Daddy a movie to show him you playing in the pool. No? You don't want to be nice and say hi to Daddy? Okay. You put the balls in there. What happened to Thomas's boat? Where is it? No, where's his boat? It's sunk. Oh no. It's down there.
You have to get it.
You gotta get it. Thomas can't get it.
Thomas in the water. Goes into the city.
Can you show me? What? Turn this way so I can see. There you go. You're gonna put him in the water? Bubbles. Oh no, he's gonna crash. Poor Thomas. Wah, wah, wah.
It's so down there.
Again. Bye, Thomas. You gotta fill it back up. Do you have your cars?
It's with water.